Hello friends, I am Satya. Welcome to our channel. In this course, we will learn about Power Apps and Power Automate. This is our course outline. In previous part, we covered brief introduction of Microsoft Power Platform. In this part of video, we will create SharePoint list. Firstly, I will give brief introduction of SharePoint list and then demonstrate how to create list in SharePoint site. Let's begin with introduction. SharePoint list is a collection of data. It acts same as table or entities in other databases like MS SQL, MySQL, Oracle and so on. In SharePoint, we can create and customize lists according to our need or customer requirement. A list can contain people, links, pictures, dates, phone numbers, calculated values, rich text box, single line or multi-line fields, as well as numbers and many more. Now I will go for demonstration. In demo, we will log into SharePoint site and create list.
This is my SharePoint site where I am going to add a list. To add a list, click on setting and then go to add an app. This is add an app page. Here we can see the custom list from where we can add list. Click on the custom list. Give the name of the list. I am going to give the name of the list as a leave approval request and click on create. Now the list is created. To open the list, click on the list name. In modern SharePoint, we can add the fields in the list from here, add columns. But for this demo purpose, I am going to add the fields from the list setting. To go to the list settings, click on the settings and then click on list settings. Scroll down the mouse. Here is a create column options. From here we can add the fields in our list. Click on the create column. Give the name of the field for your list. I am going to put the list name as a request date, and this is a date and time format. This is required field and click on OK. Now I am going to add the second field, which will be the request code, single line of text. This is also the required field. Click on OK. And third field is requester. This is also the single line of text and required field. Finally click on OK. Now the next field is leave approval, leave start date, which is a date and time field. This is also the required field and click on OK. Next field is leave end, date and time field. This is also required field and then click on OK. Next field is leave type. This field will be the choice options. This is also required field. For choices, I am going to put the values as sick leave, annual leave and casual leave. And this choice menus will be the drop down menu. We can put the radio button, checkbox also. For this field, I am going to put the drop down menu. Alright, click on OK. Now for the another field, I am going to put the manager approval status. This also contains the choice menu. For the choices, I am going to put approve, reject and the display choices using the drop down menu and click on OK. Lastly, I am going to add manager comment. Comment, this is a single line of text. We can put the multi lines of text also. For this list, I am going to put single line of text. Okay, I am going to click now OK. Now our list is ready. In SharePoint, this title modified, created by, modified by field comes by default.
Well, in this part we have created SharePoint list leave approval request with columns request date, request code, requester, leave start date, leave in date, leave type, manager status and manager comment. That's all for this part. In next video I will come with Power Apps and Power Automate demonstration using this list leave approval request from the SharePoint site. Thank you for watching this video. For more update, please subscribe to our channel.